I created a video using nothing but free AI tools. And believe me, the results had the potential to cross over 500,000 views. Sounds crazy, right? But before I show you the exact process and the results of my experiment, let me give you a quick reality check. There are already YouTube channels out there that are creating the exact same kind of videos, with no fancy equipment, no professional studio, and absolutely zero investment. And guess what? They're making thousands of dollars every single month purely from AdSense revenue. The first example is a channel called Atrium. This channel literally has just 4 videos uploaded, but those videos alone have managed to rack up over 14 million views. Think about it. Just 4 uploads, and 14 million people have already watched their content. And with YouTube monetization, that kind of reach easily translates into serious income. From AdSense alone, they've already earned more than $14,000. Now imagine what would happen if they kept uploading consistently. The numbers would be insane. But Atrium isn't the only one. There's another mysterious channel with only 2 videos on the entire page. You'd think with just 2 uploads, they wouldn't stand a chance, right? Well, the reality is completely different. That channel has managed to gain over 15,000 subscribers in no time, and it's making around $6,000 every single month. And yes, before you think there's some catch, let me make it clear. They're using completely free AI tools, and the channel is fully monetized. Now, after seeing channels like these, I decided to test the same strategy for myself. I created a similar type of video following the exact same approach, and the results were eye-opening. But here's the best part. In today's video, I'm not only going to show you what I created, but also walk you through the entire process step by step. From creating a brand new YouTube channel to uploading a video with a high-ranking title and SEO-optimized description, everything is covered, and you don't need to spend even a single penny to get started. Just follow along, and by the end, you'll know how to automate your entire channel using AI and potentially start earning more than your regular 9-to-5 job. So without wasting any more time, let's dive into the step-by-step tutorial. First, let's begin with creating your channel identity. For that, head over to Chatgpt. In the chat box, type, "Suggest me at least 20 unique channel names related to mysterious documentary videos in one word." Then hit enter. Instantly, ChatGPT will give you 20 unique creative name ideas for your channel. Choose one name that really resonates with you. Once you've made your choice, type in another message. "I choose this name, insert your channel name here. Now give me an about description for my channel under 500 characters related to my channel theme, and also give me a prompt for generating a logo for my channel." ChatGPT will then provide you with a ready-to-use channel description that's short, catchy, and within the 500-character limit. It'll also give you a professional logo generation prompt. Now copy this prompt and head over to Leonardo AI. Click on the image creation option and paste the copied script into the text box. From the options above, make sure you select the 1-to-1 size ratio, because that's the ideal size for a YouTube logo. Next, go to the model section and choose Flux Schnell from the drop-down list. After you've set everything up, hit Generate. Within 40 seconds, Leonardo AI will generate 4 different logo options for you. Now, take a look at the 4 logos provided. Pick the one that fits your channel identity the best and click on the download button to save it to your device. That's it. Your channel logo is ready. But a channel doesn't just need a logo, it also needs a professional-looking banner. For that, head over to Canva. In the search bar, type banner and select any template you like. Once the template opens, remove all the existing elements and start fresh. Customize the banner with your chosen colors, fonts, and maybe add some mysterious visuals that match your channel's theme. When you're happy with the design, click on Share, then click on Download. Make sure to select the file type as PNG and then hit Download. Now you have both your logo and your channel banner ready. Next, let's set up your channel. Head over to YouTube, click on Sign In, and create a new account. enter your chosen channel name, and fill out the required details. Once your account is created, go to the Channel Customization tab, upload your channel logo and banner here. Then, copy the description you received from ChatGPT earlier and paste it into the About section of your channel. Click on Save, and just like that, your brand new YouTube channel is successfully created and customized. Now that the channel is ready, let's move to the most exciting part: video creation. I've already prepared a complete prompt PDF that contains everything you'll need for this process. You can download this PDF from my Telegram channel where I've shared it for free. Inside the PDF, you'll find step-by-step prompts for coming up with video ideas, writing scripts, generating visuals, creating voiceovers, and editing. So, let's begin. Open the PDF and copy the very first prompt. Then, paste it into ChatGPT and hit Enter. This prompt will ask ChatGPT to give you 20 unique video topic ideas that are still unsolved mysteries. The best part? If you create videos on any of these topics, there's a good chance your video could go viral overnight. Why? Because mystery-related videos perform insanely well on YouTube, and there's a huge audience for them. Now, from the list of topics ChatGPT gives you, choose one that excites you and that you think will work best for your audience. Once you've chosen a topic, go back to the PDF and copy the second prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT, but don't forget to replace X with your chosen topic. For example, if your topic is the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle, replace the X with that. Once you hit Enter, ChatGPT will instantly generate a fully engaging, hook-driven script designed specifically for YouTube. Once the script is ready, copy it all and paste it into a Google Doc for safekeeping. But here's an important step. Before creating a voiceover, go through the script and make it more concise. Cut out any extra or repetitive lines so that your voiceover is punchy and to the point. Now you'll have the final script version ready for the next step. The next step is generating a professional voiceover. For that, we're going to use 11 Labs. Once you're on the website, click on the Voices option. You'll see many trending voices there, but to make your video stand out, you want something unique. So click on Filter. Under Language, select English. For category, choose Narrative and Story. For gender, select Male. And here's the most important part. Under Voice Type, choose Old. Then click Apply Filters. Now, 11 Labs will show you a range of hidden gem voices. Listen to each one carefully and pick the one you like the most. Once you've decided, click on the plus icon to add that voice to your personal voice library. Next, click on the Instant Speech option. Go back to your Google Doc, copy a small portion of your script, and paste it into the box. Then click on Generate Speech. After a few seconds, you'll hear your voiceover. If you're satisfied, click on Download. Repeat this process for every section of your script until you have the full voiceover ready. Now that your voiceover is complete, it's time to create the visuals for your video. Now that your voiceover is ready, we need to move on to visuals, because without engaging visuals, even the best voiceover won't hold viewers for long. The good thing is that we can create all the visuals for free using AI. So let's start by generating image scenes for each line of your script. Open the prompt PDF again, copy the next prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. Once you hit Enter, it will begin generating detailed scene descriptions based on your script. Each line of your narration will now have a visual concept attached to it. For example, if the line says, "A ship vanishes in the middle of the Bermuda Triangle," the scene description might be something like, "A 3D low-poly style ocean with a ship slowly disappearing into thick fog." Once you have the full list of scenes, it's time to turn them into actual images. For that, copy the next prompt from the PDF and paste it into ChatGPT. This prompt will generate image prompts for each scene in low poly style. Now, why low poly style? Because it looks like 3D animation, is visually unique, and keeps the audience hooked, which is exactly what you need for mystery-themed videos. After ChatGPT gives you all the image prompts, copy the list into your Google Doc. Open a new ChatGPT tab, copy the first image prompt, paste it, and ask it to generate the image in 16:9 aspect ratio. That's the perfect size for YouTube videos. Then hit Enter and wait around 2 to 3 minutes for the image to be generated. When it's ready, download it. Repeat this process for all the prompts. Now here's a small trick. Sometimes ChatGPT might hit an image generation limit after creating 8 to 9 images, and it'll ask you to upgrade to premium. Don't worry, you don't need to pay anything. Just create a new free account, log in, and continue generating the rest of your images. It might take a little extra time, but it's 100% free. By the end, you'll have a full collection of custom visuals perfectly matching your script. Now that the images are ready, we need to convert them into animated video clips. For this, go to artlist.io. Sign up for free using any Gmail account. Once you're on the dashboard, click on Image and Video Creation, then select the Image to Video option. Upload one of your AI-generated images, and the tool will automatically suggest a video prompt based on that image. Just click Generate, and within a minute, you'll have a short video animation ready. You can preview it, and if you're happy with it, click on Download. Repeat this process for all your images until you've converted each one into a video clip. Now we have two major assets, the voiceover and the animated visuals. The only thing left is editing, putting everything together into one professional video. For editing, you don't need fancy software. I use Clipchamp, which is free and easy to use. Once you open it, click on Create a New Video, and you'll be taken to the editing dashboard. The first thing you need to do is set your video size. Click on Size and select 16:9, which is the standard YouTube format. Next, import all the assets you created, the voiceover audio files, the animated video clips, and any images you want to use as fillers. Drag each asset onto the timeline one by one. Align the visuals with the corresponding parts of your voiceover so that every line matches perfectly with the right scene. After placing all the clips, adjust their sizes and timing so they look clean and smooth. Don't rush this part. Take your time to make sure the visuals transition naturally. Once everything looks aligned, add background music to keep your video engaging. For this, you can use Pixabay Music or YouTube Audio Library, both of which are free. Choose something atmospheric, mysterious, or cinematic to match your theme. Lower the background music volume to around 15 to 20% so that it doesn't overpower your narration. But we're not done yet. To make your video even more engaging, add sound effects that match the scene. For example, if your video shows an airplane disappearing in the clouds, add a subtle airplane engine sound. If a storm is coming, add thunder or rain sounds. For this, head over to Pixabay again, but this time search for sound effects. Download the ones that match your script, import them into Clipchamp, and place them exactly where they belong on the timeline. These little details make your video feel more alive and immersive. Once you're happy with everything, click on Export. Always export in the highest quality available, preferably 1080p HD. Congratulations! You now have a fully completed YouTube video created entirely with free AI tools. Now comes the final step: uploading and optimizing the video. Head over to your new YouTube channel, click on Upload Video, and select the file you just exported. Give it an SEO-friendly title. For example, if your video is about the Bermuda Triangle, don't just title it Bermuda Triangle Mystery. Instead, use something like Why Thousands of Ships Vanished in the Bermuda Triangle, Unsolved Mystery Explained. A powerful title like this not only attracts clicks but also ranks higher in search. For the description, go back to Chatgpt, paste your video script there, and ask it to create a keyword-rich YouTube description with relevant hashtags. Copy that and paste it into your description box. For tags, you can use tools like vidIQ or TubeBuddy. Both have free versions to get the best keywords for your niche. Next, create a thumbnail. Remember, thumbnails are the first thing viewers notice, so don't skip this step. Use Canva, choose a 16:9 template, and design something eye-catching. Use bold colors, dramatic images, and minimal text. A good thumbnail should create curiosity, enough to make people click. Finally, schedule your video for the best time. If you're targeting a US audience, the best time to upload is usually between 9 a.m. and 12 p.m. EST. That way, your video has the entire day to gain momentum. And that's it. You've officially created a professional quality YouTube video without spending a single penny. This process may feel a little long the first time, but once you've done it once, you'll realize it's 90% repeatable. The only thing that changes is the script and visuals. Everything else stays the same. And just think about this. Channels with only 2 or 4 videos are already making thousands of dollars every single month using this exact strategy. If they can do it, so can you. The only difference is whether you actually take action. Imagine replacing your 9 to 5 job with income from videos you created while sitting at home. That's the power of AI automation combined with YouTube. So, if you're serious about building a channel that not only grows fast but also generates income, follow the exact steps I just showed you. Create your brand identity, generate your content with AI, and optimize it for YouTube. It's that simple. And with that, we've come to the end of this tutorial. If you found it valuable, make sure you like this video, share it with someone who wants to start a YouTube channel, and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Until then, keep creating, keep experimenting, and I'll see you in the next one.